Good morning. My name is Graham Dossel. I'm the founder and CEO of MyCRA Specialist Credit Repair Lawyers in Brisbane. We're the only law firm in the entire country that focus exclusively on removing your defaults, judgments, inquiries, and repayment history information. Today I want to talk to you about debt buyers. What is a debt buyer? Well, a debt buyer is an organisation who goes to the original creditors, purchases your debt from them. So let's say you have $1,000 credit card debt. They purchase that debt at less than $1,000, and then they take ownership of that debt, and then they chase you, the person who owns the debt, the debtor, for the amount of money. And that's where they make the profit, the difference between what they buy it for and what they recover. Pretty straightforward, interesting business model, and we deal with those on a regular basis. So the 5 debt buyers I want to talk to you about today are Credit Corp, Baycorp, Panthera, Pioneer, and Line Finance. Now, these are all very interesting, good, long-standing companies. The good news is that we've been dealing with these companies for a number of years. In fact, I started MyCRA back in 2009, and since then we've been building relationships with these companies. If you have one of these defaults, if you have a default that is currently being administered by Panthera, Pioneer, Baycorp, Credit Corp, or Line Finance, give us a call on 1300 667 218. That's 1300 667 218, and have a chat with one of my legal consultants. We'll step you through your credit file, give you all of your options, what you can and can't do, and probably get that default removed for you somewhere between 7 and 30 days. How's that for a claim? Somewhere between 7 and 30 days on average. Now, standard disclaimers, we don't know your situation until we actually have a conversation with you. If we don't think we can remove your default, we will tell you that we don't think we can remove it. If we think we can tell you, we'll tell you that we think we can remove it. Give us a call, 1300 667 218, and have a good, honest chat with people that know what they're doing. That's MyCRA Specialist Credit Repair Lawyers, 1300 667 218. Call now, make an appointment, and find out your genuine options. Talk soon.